And we're back with my next guests, who are my good friends, Michael and Jessica Somera from the Somera TrafficLaw.com. And boy, do I use these folks. Thanks for being with me, guys.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you for having us.
So we're here today as a follow-up to the interview I did previously with Jessica Somera of Somera and Associates, and we are joined today by the other half of the firm, Michael Somera. So Michael, tell me a little bit about your background, including the areas of law that the firm concentrates in.
Sure. My background is that I was born in Brooklyn, New York. I grew up here in South Florida. I attended Florida Atlantic University for my undergraduate, so I'm used to the area. I went to Indiana University for law school, and I've been practicing since 1996 in this area.
And Jessica, what about you? Are you also a longtime Florida resident?
I am a native. I am a rarity. I was born in Plantation. Mike and I actually met in high school, and we have, grown into this business together, and we're very lucky that we get to work together and do what we love.
Michael, what should someone do if they receive a traffic ticket?
Okay.
Other than call you right away.
Yes. I would first call us, hopefully, and we can tell them accurate information, the best for their situation. We tell them straight up what they should do. We give them straight answers, and we do believe that they'll get the best representation in Florida.
I've seen you operate before in court, and it's amazing how much you know and how many people you know in the judicial system that you get so much done before the court gavels it to open.
Yes, and that's one of the advantages of using us. We've been doing it a long time. We've been going to the same courtrooms, the same courthouses for 15 years. So we do know what's going on, what's going to happen even before it happens, and we know when to go in with a feather, or sometimes you have to go in with a bat. But either way, you'll always get the best representation.
That's for sure. Jessica, what about criminal charges?
We do criminal defense as well as part of our practice. Criminal defense is also, crucially important. People have silly things happen in their lives that can turn into a nightmare for them. It can impact your ability to find employment. It can impact your ability to get an apartment. It's very competitive. We have young clients that have these scholarships now, and some of the scholarships can be taken away from you depending upon your criminal history. And a lot of times it's things where people are just in the wrong place at the wrong time and they need help navigating the system. It is exactly what we do. We know how serious it is, and we take every client's situation to heart, and we give personal attention. You will have access to Mike and myself, and we do the best we can for everyone that comes through our doors. And
a lot of people who are arrested inadvertently and are not guilty, and later on either charges are dropped or they've never filed, but in the meantime it's been in the paper that they've been arrested for such and such an offense. It's so hard to let that go away.
It is. It has a lasting impact. It's something that you really need to get on right away. You need to have somebody look at what you're charged with and what can be done to clear your reputation, to clear your criminal history, to make sure it doesn't have a lasting impact, because it can be devastating.
So you can go back and clear that up too.
We do everything we can within the rules and regulations of the court system to reach that goal. Our goal is to get it wiped clean.
So anything else we should know about Somera traffic law, and what makes you stand apart from the other ticket attorneys?
I'll answer.
Okay.
I take pride in the fact that we do have a family business. We have family in our office, and we have a small group of people that have worked for us for a very long time. We're very blessed in that regard. And you will have access to us. We know what we're doing. We know how to do it. And you will get the best customer service, bar none, in this industry. We take care of our people.
And that's personal service that you don't get from a larger firm.
Exactly. That's it. Yes.
100%.
Yes.
Why don't you give out your contact information where people can reach you, the email address, website, and phone number.
Okay.
Our address is 7300 West Camino Real, Suite 205 in Boca Raton. Our phone number is 866-338-3795, toll-free from anywhere in the state. Our internet address is www.someratrafficlaw.com. jessicasamera.com. If you would like to reach me or Mike personally, you just put Jessica at Somera Traffic Law or Michael at Somera Traffic Law, and it comes right to our desks.
I really appreciate you guys being with me. I can't thank you enough for everything you've done for me personally, and I wish you good luck, and I appreciate you being on the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
And
for
we'll be
having
right
us.
back.